Hello students, today we'll start our chapter motion and measurement of distances. So what I know a ruler scale is used to measure a line segment. So remember that a line segment is a part of line but not a full line. Okay, it is impossible to measure a full line because the line keeps on extending on the both side infinitely. You've learned in the math, so let us see. I will learn measuring distances and types of motions. We'll learn here. Now story of transport we'll see. Long time ago people went from one place to another by foot, so there was only one way to move from one place to another, that was our foot. Okay, so over a period of time people learned to make canoe, a small boat. So as a human being we are very intelligent, so they use their intelligence to make a small boat which is known as a canoe. So the invention of the wheel brought about a great change in the mode of transport. So as wheel got invented, lots of changes came in the transport, as horses and bullocks and camels were used to pull carts, okay, that moved on wheels. So as time passed by, large ships with sails were built. Till the early 19th century they were the main mode of transport. So till the early 19th century, ships with the sails were the main mode of transport. Okay, later on a steamboat came, then modern ship is also there. You can see the 19th century saw great advances in transportation. So the great advances that came in transportation was in the 19th century. Okay, good roads were built and buses began operating. So good roads were also built and buses began operating. By 1850 railway routes were laid in England. So in England railway routes were laid. Okay, so by 1890 cars were on the roads, and by 1920 aeroplanes were carrying passengers. You see how fast development happened in our past. So today air travel and super fast electric trains are popular modes of transport. So now there are super fast trains, bullet trains are also, if I heard the name of bullet trains, it's not it. And we have jet planes. Okay, so you can see first we have flying device, which does not look like our aeroplane or jet planes, but it was the early stage of aeroplane or jet plane. Okay, then aeroplane came, then jet plane came. Okay, now how far have we traveled? So one day early in the morning, a few people began their journey to a nearby coastal village in a boat. So there was a village nearby the coast, so a few people began their journey in a boat. So one of the men asked the boatman how long it would take to reach the village. One man asked another that how much time it will take, how long it will take to reach the village. So the boatman replied, if the wind is favorable you will reach before the sun. So what did the boatman said? If the wind is favorable, if wind is not against us, then we will reach before the sun is above the palm tree. Okay, that means at the top of the palm tree. So long ago, this is how people must have traveled and kept the track of time. So this is an assumption that when there was no clock, people must have used this ways of keeping the track of their time. It's not it. Today we use many accurate measurement to measure time, distance, mass, volume and temperature. Accurate measurements have become a part of our lives. Yes, without accurate measurement it is impossible to manufacture anything now. Okay, so look at your classroom and its door and windows. These are the results of accurate measurement. You can look at your house, see the doors, see the windows. You'll find they are accurately measured by the one who has made it. It's not it by the carpenter. Okay, now earlier method of measurement also we'll see. So long ago people used parts of the body to measure things. This way was definitely not accurate, but people did this one. They used 1 inch. 1 inch for them was the width of the thumb only. Do you think the width of every person's thumb will be same? No, it will not be same. So foot was the length from the heel to the big toe. So from the heel till the big toe was 1 foot. Now a yard was the distance from the tip of the nose to the tip of the palm of a stretched hand. Okay, so tip of the nose to the tip of the palm of a stretched hand is actually 1 yard. These methods of measurements were not accurate because they would vary from person to person. That's correct. If a person is you can say taller, or his hand or hand, nose or whatever is bigger than the other, definitely he is going to get more. So these measurements were not accurate. So that's all for today, and the next topic is our accurate units of measurement international system of units. For this one I will give you a separate video. Keep watching this video and try to understand the topic. Okay, thank you.